What's up, everybody, man? It's your boy, Mr. Duga, coming at y'all with another video, man. Hey, man. I'm going to talk about, man, last night you had the Golden State Warriors beating the Washington Wizards 144 to 122. But that's not even the point. Like, that's not even the point. Like, the final score, who won, that's not even the point, man. The point is, man, you had Wardell, Steph Curry with 51 points through three quarters. 51 points through three quarters, including 11 for 16 from three-point range. Let that sink in. 11 for 16 from three. 51 points in three quarters, man. This dude is the greatest shooter to ever play. The greatest shooter ever, man. And what's so remarkable about him, he's not a catch and shoot guy. Like, you know, and he's also fifth all time on the three-point list. And you look at the players ahead of him, you know, Ray Allen, Reggie Miller, you know, Kyle Korver, and I think like Jason Terry. Well, maybe Jason Terry a little more than the other ones, but all of those guys were basically catch and shoot players. You know, none of them were point guards with probably the exception of Jason Terry. They were all catch and shoot guys, you know. So for him to be able to do this off the dribble, like anybody who plays basketball know, it's much tougher to shoot off the dribble than the catch and shoot. You know what I'm saying? So for this guy to put up 51 points, 11 for 16 from three, you know, just all the other accomplishments he have, the only player in NBA history to win a unanimous MVP, which arguably, I'm sure Michael Jordan and other players should have got at least one unanimously. But to do this off the dribble, man, like, people don't understand how hard that is to do that off the dribble. 11 for 16 from three-point range, man. And these ain't no right behind the three-point line, toe barely behind the line. Nah, man, he's shooting some bombs out there. Like, he 3, 4, 5, sometimes 6, 7 feet behind the three-point line, man. And he dropping that thing in doosh, you know. Yeah, man, Curry's something serious, man. You know, when you think about the dribbling, the handling skills, the shooting ability, he's also a good passer. Then, I mean, look at the players around him, man. You got Kevin Durant, you got Klay Thompson. You know, then watch when Boogie Cousins come there. Ain't nobody could beat this team in a 7-game series if they're healthy, man. Like, it just can't happen. I know this is like the 4th game of the season, but if all those players are healthy, and can't nobody beat them in a 7-game series, man. So you could cancel Christmas already, man. Just go on. Yeah, it's going to be cool to see how LeBron do with the Lakers. It's going to be cool to see how Boston look, how Kawhi look in Toronto and all this other stuff, you know, how much Anthony Davis balling in New Orleans, Westbrook, all these other people, Houston, all of them. In a 7-game series, especially with them having Boogie Cousins now, a healthy Boogie Cousins, ain't nobody beating the GS boys in a 7-game series, man. Steph Curry is absolutely sensational, man. That dude is something serious, man. But with that being said, man, that's all I got for y'all today, man. I appreciate y'all checking out the video, man. I'm going to have NBA content, man, throughout the season, man. Y'all have a blessed one.